Hi, this is Luke from MQLXpert. I've created a complete step-by-step course that shows you how to code your own expert advisors in MetaTrader 5, even if you've never written a line of code before. Across 8 clear lessons, I'll walk you through everything, including setting up your first expert advisor, working with variables and functions, using control structures, reading indicator data, and finally opening and managing trades automatically. By the end of the course, you will have built a fully working EA from scratch and the skills to keep creating more on your own. I've also added a bonus lesson where we build a profitable Bitcoin breakout EA, and this one strategy alone has the potential to pay you back the course fees many times over. You'll get lifetime access to all the lessons inside a private Telegram channel. You will also get lifetime access to me, and you can learn at your own pace and revisit anytime. This full course is available now for just £147, but as a founder's offer, for the first 30 people, you can get this course for just £99. So if you're ready to stop relying on others and start coding your own trading tools, then this course is your shortcut and it is definitely for you. Join today and take control of your trading with MQL5 programming.